Welcome to my channel. Complete Wavlink AC1200 Setup Guide, Fast Internet Ready. 1. Plug it in right first. Sounds dumb, but check the outlet. Stick the AC1200 somewhere midway between your router and the dead zone. If you jam it too far from the router, forget it, weak signal, slow speeds. 2. Reset before you start. If it's not new, hold that tiny reset button with a pin for 10 seconds. Start clean. Old settings mess things up. Trust me, I learned the hard way. 3. Use the WPS button, simplest way. If your router has WPS, hit that button first. Then press the WPS on the AC1200. Lights blink, give it a minute, and they sync. That's the fastest way, no login pages, no typing passwords wrong. 4. No WPS? Use the web setup. Connect your phone or laptop to the Wi-Fi name that shows up like Wavlink extender. Open a browser, punch in 192.168.10.1. Login is usually admin. Old school, but it works. 5. Pick the right band. It'll show you both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Don't just pick one at random. Use 2.4 GHz for range, if you're far from router, and 5 GHz for speed, if closer. That's how you avoid slow or dropping signals. 6. Change the SSID, optional but smart, by default. It'll add _ext, or something ugly to your Wi-Fi name. Go in and rename it to something cleaner, or just keep it the same as your main Wi-Fi if you want devices to switch automatically. 7. Placement test. After setup, move it around. Don't stick it behind a TV or inside a cabinet. The more open, the better. Check signal bars on your phone at the spot. If it drops, relocate. 8. Update the firmware. Go to the web settings, there's usually a firmware tab. Update it. Old firmware equals random disconnects. I skipped this once and wasted hours wondering why it dropped out. 9. Reboot after configuring. Always reboot it once after finishing setup. Half the bugs clear after a restart. Simple, but fixes more than you think. 10. If it still crawls, use Ethernet. The AC1200 has an Ethernet port. Plug it straight into a device if you need solid speed, gaming console, PC. I've seen it double the stability versus wireless relay mode. Thanks for watching.